guys, Ellie here, and welcome to another episode of Illegally Blonde. Today we're at Jungle Island and we're going to the petting zoo. I'm going to be feeding birds and goats. I'm definitely more excited to feed the birds so they can fly right onto my finger. I already know the goats are going to be eating everything and they're even going to be biting my hair. Okay, so we're about to feed some birds. Come along and I'll give you some facts about the cute little birdies I'm going to be feeding. So cute! Are you guys ready for food? Hungry? Oh my goodness! These are budgie birds, and they do not play about their food. This is awesome. Aw, I wish I had 100 arms for them. As they fall, the little seeds, they're getting them on the ground as well. The way to tell if they're a boy or a girl, oh, not a fight, is by their beaks. Oh my goodness. That felt so crazy. Oh, okay, just fed all the birds. I think they're getting full. We're gonna go head over and feed the goats. Oh. So we have to feed them outside because they do get aggressive with the food. But right now we're just gonna pet them a little bit. Hi, you're so cute. Goats love to get brushed. This goat is considered a Nigerian dwarf because it has the little ears. Oh, okay. I got you. Okay, I think this one's my best friend. It has latched onto me. Us blondes, we stick together. Isn't that right? This goat is an American La Mancha because it has the big ears. Hi! You're so cute. Do they play with their horns a lot? Yeah. Oh, wow! That was so cool. What are you guys doing? Have some energy? Time to feed them. They're definitely hungry. I could tell. They know the food is coming. I was told this one here is gonna try to steal all of the food, so. Oh! They're ready. They are ready. Are you ready? Here you go. Okay, some for you. I know I'm gonna go down the line. This one. This is the food stealer. The biggest one is the most hungry today. Some are shy. Definitely shy. This guy's shy. See? I'm not gonna hurt you. I was just in here. No, 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 come on. You guys, he's gone, he's gone, he's gone. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. Okay, so today I met the cutest birds and the meanest goat. And that was a blast. I hope you guys also had so much fun and learned so much about the petting zoo here in Miami at Jungle Island. Like and subscribe, and this isn't the only thing I'm going to be doing at Jungle Island, so stay tuned, subscribe, and see what comes next. Thanks. You can find me at I Am Ellie. Bye.